And this meet and greet program was introduced long back, and every year we have it in one club. The idea is to meet the new members, also make sure that whatever has been committed, whatever how to make things better for them. So it is a very transparent one-to-one meet, so that people, we can understand from management side what is the next best thing to do. Because Country Club has survived. If it has got about 2 million members, it is only because of our constant updating our system and getting more guests. I will say more like family members. So it is not a question of money, it's a question of the love and affection what we have given to the company. I have started this Country Club 35 years back when I bought the palace of the Prime Minister of Hyderabad, Mr. Jung's property. And from that, then we decided to move ahead into other parts of the country. So the brand has developed very slowly and initially, but then we picked up our momentum, and now we are where we are. We are now looking at it from a different perspective altogether. It's one of the biggest families. I want to make sure that it also say that one of the most happiest and the most exciting and the most happening clubs in the world actually. So let's give a big hand for that.
Yes. I request Sonali ma'am to say a few words. Hello everyone. And I would like to say Merry Christmas to everyone. Can I hear it from you guys?
Yes.
All the kids will say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And happy 2025. I'm so looking forward because on 31st I'll be back here, same place in Country Club in front of you guys, and I'm going to have a special performance. So I invite you guys on 31st to be there on New Year, and we can bring the
सोनाली, सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे आपके क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेशन में कंट्री क्लब के साथ आई हैं, क्या ऐसा
आई थिंक मैं तो यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं सबसे पहले सभी को मैरी क्रिसमस कहना चाहती हूँ, और मैं बहुत सुपर एक्साइटेड हूँ कि मेरा इस साल कंट्री क्लब के साथ कोलैबोरेशन हुआ है, और ऑब्वियसली मैं तो कंट्री क्लब के आई एम पार्ट ऑफ इट, और नया साल भी मैं इन्हीं के साथ कर रही हूँ. सो आई एम एक्साइटेड कि मेरा क्रिसमस और नया साल कंट्री क्लब के साथ है, और मिस्टर राजीव जी के साथ अभी बहुत अच्छा कोलैबोरेशन भी हुआ है, और या लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर मोर इवेंट्स एंड मोर वर्क विद देम.
राजू सर, आपसे ये सर क्रिसमस सेम थिंग व्हाट सोनाली जी बोल रहे हैं ना, मेन स्पिरिट बैंड meet and greet program what we are having is fundamental first phase to interact with the members, try to share their try to find a solution, make sure that family expands in a very big way, nice way, because I personally believe in total transparency. A lot of people our CRM team as well as very important area where we react to members when their videos, what went wrong, what went right. 9 out of 10 times members are right. Personally feel that you may. Yeah, so we get to have first-hand information about what is happening in the company, what is happening in our wildlife resort, what is happening in our other resorts. So this has become a very important tool. That's the reason why we are where we are. One of the world's biggest family chains, having 2 million members is not a joke, and it's more like a community. And if you want to maintain harmony, if you want to grow oneness, that particular member is happy. He will not be able to get into this. So our objective is to make our members brand ambassadors of the Country Club. So each and every member is as value as everybody else. So that is the main concept of meet and greet.
Big Boss 8 में आपने धमाल मचा. Is there any upcoming project?
Yeah, I have a movie project coming up. That's with Sanjay Sharma and Arvind Sharma. So that I'm going to start shooting from January onwards. And of course हमारे events चलते ही रहते हैं. So yeah, हम काफी travel करते हैं. So at the most, and I have few music videos also coming. That's the upcoming.
This year you best memory of Merry Christmas. Any best memory?
Memories, in fact, I went to wildlife adventure sports and all that. Last time, it was October 1st. I had a white ribbon rafting in Sri Lanka. It was one of my best moments. And Mr. Malve, Arvind D. Silva, cricketer, captain of Sri Lanka, invited me to his birthday, October 2nd, October 1st night. So, I mean, I went there. It was very remarkable because I was in a foreign country and they invited me to come there and have a party for me. You know, you feel very happy on that. घर में अलग है, अलग है, बढ़िया श्रीलंका में जाने के लिए अभी तो we are entering in a very good way now.
I would like to say, he just mentioned he knows a lot of cricketers. Or maybe मिलवाइए.
Anytime.
Right?
In fact, all the World Cup winners, right, from Kapil Dev onwards to Gavaskar, we all met here. We all met. We made a special car for them, Sudha car, and then Kapil Dev he drove in this bar. So there was a way how we entered Bombay. We entered in a most innovative way, and Bombay has responded very well. There is a reason why I always tell people to focus on Bombay. You give whatever time you give Bombay, if you are successful, you are 10 times successful. Bombay is a place I personally feel people work a lot, people are more passionate, it is very competitive. We as stranger to Hyderabad-based company coming here and setting up clubs and but then I have a fantastic team with me. I have a aggressive team and it's a very transparent company. We are only focused on the right people. Unless they have a good team, you can't perform. We personally demand the guide, how to begin and we wish to grow well.
सोनाली में आपको ऐसी यादें क्रिसमस की आपकी बचपन में या कभी कोई यादें ऐसी कोई शेयर करेंगे?
जी क्रिसमस तो मेरे लिए हमेशा स्पेशल ही रहता है क्योंकि 2 दिन पहले मेरा बर्थडे रहता है. So I just celebrated my birthday which was the 23rd December. तो मेरा बर्थडे से एक बर्थडे वीक ही शुरू हो जाता है. So from 22nd onwards till 1st और 2nd तक मैं मेरा सेलिब्रेशन ही चलता है. एंड क्रिसमस तो ऑब्वियसली बचपन में तो हमारे घर में सैंटा क्लॉज आते थे और हमें गिफ्ट मिलता था. तो आई एम श्योर अभी ये उम्र में भी काफ़ी अभी सैंटा क्लॉज हमें गिफ्ट देंगे. यू आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट माय बर्थडे. बाय द वे देयर इज अ बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन आल्सो टुडे, राइट?
So what is special for you on this 2025?
I think 2025 I'm expecting like a lot of things. I'm expecting like a lot of great opportunities, maybe business opportunities too, or I think hopefully getting settled. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. But I wish 2025 a great year to everyone, or I wish that for everyone.
प्रोग्राम में अभी लगातार आप लोग चीफ गेस्ट बनकर आ रहे हैं
कुछ भी This is only the first time I'm coming.
नहीं, this is the second time. Last time भी आप
Last time I came to announce. Yes. So yes, अभी तो because I'm part of country club. So yes, you'll see me more. I hope आपको problem नहीं है.
नहीं, मैं तो आपको पूछ रहा हूँ.
Yes.
Welcome to country.
Oh, thank you very much. By the way, are you from country club?
No, I'm from Punjab. Member too.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.